Hello. Hi. What's up? आ जाओ सब लोग. Can you guys hear me अच्छे से या मुझे चिल्लाना पड़ेगा? प्लीज मुझे बताओ. अरे क्वेश्चन. हाय हेलो हाल तो पूछ लो मेरा पहले. क्वेश्चन कैसी हो, हाउ आर यू, बेसिक्स गाइज. हेलो. आई एम फाइन अंजलि, थैंक यू. मतलब आई नहीं कि सीधा वेट लॉस के बारे में ना, काम टू काम सीधा इन्फो दे निकल. हाउ रूड इज दैट. हेलो मॉन मेहंदी, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. साउंड्स ग्रेट. Do you curl your hair? No, bro, this is my real hair. This is my natural hair. I used to straighten it, but बहुत बार contemplate करती हूँ and then सीधे कर देती हूँ because it's easy, to manage. Curly hair is not easy to manage, but I have decided to live with it for as long as I can. So I have hair on my head for as long as I can, So I don't have to waste money on you know what, paying to get bald. Okay, chalo, I'm going to take questions now. Okay, Jui, मिस करती तो साली फोन उठा के कॉल कर लिया कर कभी. हाँ, come and meet me, let's meet. I'm so happy. Thank you, that's good to hear. Alfredo Alfredo says, what do you do when you are not motivated to work out? Well, I make a reel, I post it, and then I have already posted that reel. In fact, there was a day where I was like completely demotivated, and I wanted to take myself for granted, but I immediately made a reel, I posted it, and then I looked at it and I was like, now you have to do it. So I went and I did it. So that's how I motivate myself. Varna motivation, ye real world mein it becomes very difficult. Sorry, I have to talk in English because it's your question. Okay, now I'm going to take some good questions, okay? I just want to lose weight but मुझसे नहीं होता. अच्छा, होता है. मुस्कान, पहले तो मुझे ये बताओ कि ऐसे तो नहीं है कि अगर आपको कुछ करना है और आपसे वो हो नहीं सकता, ठीक है. 4-5 रीजंस होते हैं जिनकी वजह से आप वो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, ठीक है. तो डिटेल में मुझे लिखो, टेक योर टाइम, ओके, एंड टाइप इट प्रॉपरली. जल्दी में टाइप मत करो. इमोटिकॉन्स नहीं डाला तो भी चलेगा, ठीक है, लेकिन अच्छे से टाइप करो कि क्या क्या चीजें आपको रोक रही है, ठीक है. Then we will talk about your weight loss. Let's understand the root cause of your problem first. Cool? Chalo. You type, I will come back to your question. There will be so many comments you will miss. That's why asking you direct question. Okay. No. I will try and... इतने लोग नहीं आएंगे, रुक जाओ. मैं देख लूंगी. Don't worry. Intermittent fasting के बारे में क्या suggest करेंगे? देखो, honestly... I think it is very good, okay, but you need to have that discipline to do it, one. And even if initially you don't have the discipline to do it, what most of the people do while IF is, you know what, मैं तुमको ये समझाती हूँ, okay, ध्यान से समझना भी. See, what is intermittent fasting? क्या होता है, एक विंडो होता है जहां पर आपको कुछ खाना नहीं है, ठीक है. पीने में आप पानी पी सकते हो, ग्रीन टी पी सकते हो, ब्लैक कॉफी पी सकते हो, बट वो शुगर वुगर नहीं डालना होता है, ठीक है. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. नाउ what most of the people do is, if they are fasting, supposing if I'm doing a 1 to 8 eating window, and then 8 to next day 1 I am keeping it fasting, ठीक है. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है कौन सा टाइम फ्रेम चूज करे. पहली बात तो क्या होता है ना, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि दिन में कौन से टाइम तुमको सबसे ज्यादा भूख लगती है. जैसे मेको, आई वॉज अ नाइट पर्सन, ओके. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस कॉन्सेप्ट इफ यू रियली वॉन्ट टू डू IF. इट विल रियली हेल्प यू, ओके. सो I was somebody who loved eating dinners, okay. I was not a breakfast person. I was not a lunch person, but I was definitely a dinner person. Okay, so I so smartly switched my time frame. कोई बोलता है ना 12 से 6 कर लो, ये कर लो. No, first understand what is your hunger pang बोलते हैं ना, जो बहुत बर्दाश्त के बाद भूख लगती है, वैसे वाला. सो मोस्ट पीपल हैव इट ड्यूरिंग द ब्रेकफास्ट टाइम, कि किसी को तो उठते ही ब्लडी मतलब खाना चाहिए ही चाहिए. ओके, सो मोस्ट पीपल आर लाइक दैट. किसी किसी को लंच में बहुत क्रेजी भूख लगती है, ठीक है, एंड किसी किसी को डिनर में. सो आई वॉज मोर ऑफ अ डिनर पर्सन. वाई? I'll tell you, it was not always like that, but because मैंने previously बहुत सारे screw ups किए अपने weight loss journey में, पता है, डाइटिंग करके ऐसे करके, तो मैंने अपना appetite मार दिया था. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, आप बहुत सारी चीजें समझनी है इसमें. So I had killed my appetite, completely killed it. तो मुझे भूख लगती ही नहीं थी. Now what I wanted to do, I wanted to be hungry, like, because obviously I had understood that food is very important. So first I understood my cycle. I had to undo all those mistakes. हाँ, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, एक दिन का काम नहीं था ये, बहुत प्रैक्टिस लगी थी, बट ऐसे शुरू किया था, ठीक है. सो आई अंडरस्टूड कि मुझे भूख सबसे ज्यादा कहाँ लगती है. ये मैंने नोट किया, थोड़े दिन ऐसे ना कॉन्शियसली अपने आप को रीड किया, तो मुझे पता चला कि भाई कुछ भी हो, डिनर तो मुझको चाहिए, वैसे वाला. So I kept my eating window from say 4 p.m. to night 12 p.m. क्यों? क्योंकि तभी मैं बहुत Netflix and binge भी करती थी ना. So not Netflix but TV देख के बैक टू बैक सीरीज देखो या बैक टू बैक शोज देखो. So वो बिंजिंग की आदत भी थी, राइट. So I had planned everything accordingly कि बॉस ये टाइम है मेरा चिल करने का. This is the time I feel the most hungry. So I am going to switch my clock. My clock will work according to my wants and needs. So all of our clocks are different. Okay, I am talking about mine. You customize it as per yours. Okay, तो समझो. So I shifted it. Okay, once I shifted it, I started fasting from समझो रात के 12 बजे to next day of my eating window. ठीक है. So automatically I opened my eating window at 4 p.m. Cool. Now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. 11 बजे तक मेरा ईटिंग विंडो होता था, ठीक है. सो 8 आवर्स. नाउ इसमें मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि जब हम भूखे रहते हैं ना, तो बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली गोज इन टू अ स्टार्वेशन मोड. नाउ दैट इज माई रीडिंग टूवर्ड्स माई बॉडी. तो वो 4 बजने के बाद भी भूख नहीं लगती थी. यू नो, यू वुड बी लाइक चल छोड़ना फास्टिंग. सो हम लालची हो जाते हैं ना कि चल यार, अरे 16 की जगह अगर मैं 18 घंटे कर लूंगी तो फटाफट होगा. ऐसे कुछ नहीं होगा. ओके, इनफैक्ट इससे आपका वेट लॉस बोलते हैं ना स्टॉल हो जाएगा और उसकी बॉडी को गंदी हैबिट्स बढ़ रही है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू डू दैट. 4 PM मतलब 4 PM कुछ भी हो, आई वुड पिक समथिंग एंड आई वुड ईट. दैट वुड बी माई फर्स्ट मील. ओके, एंड of course you have to remember that एक मील खाओगे, 2 मील खाओगे अगर, okay, because if you're not able to eat so much at once, you don't have to. Or if you want to eat everything at once, divide it into 2 or 3 parts. ठीक है. So what I would do, I would eat a proper lunch at 4 PM. Okay, I would eat my दाल, चावल, रोटी, सब्जी, everything proper, जो भी घर पे बनाओ, बिरयानी, पुलाव, छोले भटूरे, whatever. Okay, so I would eat like 1 bhatura, and because it was bhatura and it was fried, so I would, और भटूरे का मजा तो बॉस फ्राइड में ही आता है, प्लीज. Okay, so I would eat 1 bhatura and lots of chana, so that भूख भी अभी. now when you see chole bhature, you want more and more bhatura, right? Because obviously it is fried, it is greasy, so it is going to stimulate all my senses. So I used to take 1 bhatura and more chana. Here I controlled, and I used to eat that 1 meal. And please, that doesn't mean you eat chole bhature. I'm just giving you an example. रोज छोले भटूरे नहीं खाने, हाँ, प्लीज समझो ओपन माइंड से, ठीक है. So I used to eat कभी ये कभी वो, जो भी घर पे बना होता. Okay, so that happened. And second, then dinner होता था. And dinner में फिर जो भी मेरे को फिर भूख लगती थी, obviously because you know you've had only 1 meal and then night is your hunger pang timing. So I would eat that for my dinner. ठीक है. So whatever was made at home, I could also repeat what I had at 4 p.m. for dinner. अगर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं होता है या दिन में 10 बार घर पे खाना नहीं बनता है तो I would eat that. और अगर बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है और बिल्कुल मन नहीं है खाना बनाने का, I would eat egg भुर्जी या पनीर भुर्जी, whatever you want. ठीक है. So that was so most important thing during IF is your body, because it is fasting, sometimes it would tend to go into starvation mode. Okay, so you have to very consciously remind yourself that you are not doing IF to drastically drop your weight faster or to drastically kill or suppress your appetite, but you're doing it so that your body understands the clock discipline. Okay, so you have to train your body that way that it understands the discipline, and when it is time to eat, you feed your body. Okay, that is how your IF will also last longer, and sometimes it can also last a lifetime. Okay, which is not wrong, because it is following a body clock. It is following a discipline. It is following a pattern. As far as you are eating in your eating window, I think IF is the most beautiful lifestyle to have. And somewhere, if I see my lifestyle, I'm always on IF because I have a discipline of my eating window and shutting window. ठीक है? So make sure in your eating window you're eating right and clean. कभी ऊपर नीचे हो गया तो चलता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Get back to your discipline. ठीक है? So no more questions on IF. You will clearly understand everything here. Okay? Shit, मेरे को पानी लेके बैठना चाहिए था. Someday I will call you on WhatsApp, please. You can call me here also ना. WhatsApp पे तो मैं hardly रहती हूँ. Honestly, मैं Instagram के DMs पे आपसे बात ज्यादा करती हूँ than my WhatsApp. So let's stick to this. You work out for maintain weight. Do you want to lose more? और देखो क्या है ना. Now I don't have an obsession. Okay, I had promised myself that even if I lose weight or whatever the process will lead me, when I had started this journey, I had made a very strong commitment to myself that I am not going to obsess over anything. Once I lose weight, I will not obsess over having abs. Once I lose weight, I will not obsess over doing anything. What I want to do is have a healthy body. There is no particular shape and size that I'm aiming for. I want to be able to eat clean. I want to be able to eat junk food occasionally because I'm human and I want to function like humans. And I want to stay away from protein powders as much as I can. So I am going to keep my body as natural internally as I can. ठीक है? So there is no particular goal, but I don't mind putting on a few kgs, and even if it comes, I know how to balance it now, because at least 4 days a week I am very active, and other rest of the days of my week I am super active because I also work at home, not just in front of the computer, but I'm also doing a lot of work in and around my home. So I have a very active lifestyle that way. Okay? So yeah, but जब मेरा गोल था कि मुझे फिट होना है, तब मैं रेगुलरली अपने आप को पुश करती थी एटलीस्ट 6 days a week. नहीं होता था तो 5, नहीं होता था तो 4, but I would push myself every week. So don't give your any week a 0 week. Okay, make that your goal. कि अभी अगर आप अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, so make sure that अगर ये हफ्ते में एक ही बार हुआ ना तो कोई बात नहीं, हिट इट बैक अगेन. दूसरे हफ्ते में शायद 3 बार होएगा, तीसरे हफ्ते में शायद वापस 2 बार होगा, बट 4th वीक में मे बी यू डू लाइक अ 6 day a week. सो प्ले विद दैट. बोलते ना, यू हैव टू प्ले विद द लॉ ऑफ एवरेज. सो स्टार्ट प्लेइंग विद दैट. ओके, you will get there. Guys, please understand, consistency is not चाय की 3-4 इंग्रेडिएंट बनाया और पकाया 5-10 मिनट के लिए, अच्छी खुशबू आई और बन गया. नहीं, कंसिस्टेंसी को रोज पकाना पड़ता है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन इट एवरी डे. Even I till date will have to keep working on consistency, because if I break that chain, then everything will go back to bad habits. Easy. Bad habits are so easy to come. I really think I should have gotten water. Bad decision. I watched your video on YouTube yesterday. It was so motivating. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I live alone. I end up eating unhealthy. Ankita, this one is for you. Okay, this is going to be a long one, so keep your ear open. Okay, and you and me are having a conversation. So, first of all, when you live alone, I mean, you are blessed. Trust me. Because living alone can also be one of the most beautiful things if managed the right way. Okay, I don't know if you are a student or if you are क्या बोलते हैं, working or whatever. Okay, let's consider both these options. Okay, so if you are living alone, one, you don't have any other responsibilities around you to take care of anybody right now in this phase. So make the most of it right now. मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. इफ यू हैव, बोलते ना मॉर्निंग के 4 घंटे फ्री हैं तुम्हारे पास और इवनिंग के 2 घंटे 3 घंटे फ्री है तुम्हारे पास, एंड बीच में यू आर वेरी बिजी. लेट्स कंसिडर दैट. ओके, स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग डिसिप्लिन्स एंड टेकिंग द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ लिविंग अलोन. ओके, रिड्यूस योर स्क्रीन टाइम. ओके, आई एम नॉट सेइंग डोंट डू इंस्टाग्राम रील, पक जाएगी. ओके, तो थोड़ा बहुत स्क्रोल कर लिया कर, थोड़ा हंस भी लिया कर, बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ गुड कॉन्टेंट ऑल्सो ऑन सोशल मीडिया. ओके, so do a little scrolling whenever you need. Take out 1 hour from your 2-3 hour gap in the morning for cooking. If you don't have throughout the day ka time, subah uth sabse pehle, it is such a good mind exercise, you know, in the morning to stimulate all your senses. You're chopping, you're watching colors, your eyes is seeing fresh things, you are cooking, you're activating your senses. You're taking a shower, getting ready for your work, school, college, whatever. Do your bit, come back home, rest for some time, exercise for 30 minutes if not more. Do your dinner, spend some time reading or watching TV or whatever you like, and call it a day. Some days go out to meet your friends, some day listen to music. There is so much you can do when you're alone. You know, so you just have to find that balance and understand where are you wasting that little extra time, where you could, you know, cut from there and add it here and start cooking your own meals. It really helps. It will not only help to change your body, but it will change a lot of things about you. You know, how you see life, how you taste, how, what your flavors are. You will understand a lot about yourself. So explore that option and it will really help. Okay, थोड़े छोटे छोटे questions भी लिख लो यार. I'm scrolling through. Okay. Please answer. Please, can you talk to me in DM? I need your answer, please. Okay, just drop me a DM, darling. Please be patient with me because I talk to a number of people every day and I am giving my best. Please understand, I also have myself to take care of because ये ठीक नहीं रहेगा तो यहाँ ठीक जाएगा नहीं, और मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन मैं देना चाहती नहीं हूँ. Okay, that is why you'll see that I don't even come live very often because Instagram algorithm wants it. I come when I know I can pass on the right information and I am, you know, in a very calm and peaceful state of mind, free state of mind where I can actually have a conversation with you all. So give me some time to reach your DM and I will try and reach at a good speed. So please be patient with me. Okay. Going to take questions, scrolling down. What can we eat at night after workout for weight loss? Well, it doesn't only depend on what you eat at night, but it also depends on what you eat throughout the day and how active you are and how बोलते ना, how addicted you are to outside food. Okay, so you have to curb your things down very smartly. If you really want to eat a nice clean dinner, keep it light. Okay, don't have a lot of things. Have like a chicken roll or a paneer roll, या घर पे make some dalia का sabzi and pulao, you know, dalia pulao and sabzi. Keep it light, something that your, you know, stomach is digesting easily. आधे लोगों को रात को नींद क्यों नहीं आती है पता है? because we eat such heavy meals. बाप रे, इतना है. मैं भी खाती थी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, मैं अभी एग्जैजरेट करके बोल रही हूँ बिकॉज आई नो वेयर आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम. तो वी यूज टू ईट सच हेवी मील्स एट नाइट कि मतलब सोने ही नहीं होता था, पेट इतना भरता ऊपर, यू डकारे आते, यू बर्प, सो खाना ऊपर आ जाता था बिकॉज दोज मील्स यूज टू बी वेरी हैवी. सो ट्राई एंड कीप योर डिनर लाइट. दैट डजंट मीन यू ईट ओनली सूप एंड सैलेड. ईट बट ईट इट लाइट. ओके, पोर्शन कम खाओ, जो घर पे बनाए वो खाओ, बट कम पोर्शन में, ठीक है. एंड आफ्टर वर्कआउट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, एक्सरसाइज करो, फ्रेश हो. अगर आप रात को करते हो, हैव योर मील. अगर आप दोपहर को करते हो तो हैव अ नाइस स्नैक, हैव योर बॉइल्ड एग्स और हैव अ स्मॉल सैंडविच, वॉट एवर यू लाइक. Okay, remember, you're not just doing this for losing weight for 6 months or 1 year. You're doing this to lose your weight and keep it forever. Okay, let's plan it that way. Okay, guys, this is probably going to be the last question because I have to save my throat for the season also because I keep yelling and गले को rest भी चाहिए. Chanchal, I had sprouts at 4. I'm feeling bloated now, so I'm having dinner. Detox water. I'm having detox water, Ajwain. So, okay. But because you are feeling bloated, you had sprouts, that doesn't mean you skip your dinner, Hemali. Please understand, it is very easy for you to be motivated in the first few days when you are exercising, and then because you are exercising, your body will tell you ki starve, so that you reach your goal quickly. But don't do that mistake. Why? अभी आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, you have that energy. The day you start reducing your food, na Himali, please understand this. The day you start reducing your food and giving it lesser than it needs, not even it wants, it needs. Okay, if you're giving it lesser than it needs, then your workout में वो दिखेगा, and then your energy will come down, and slowly your workout will reduce and your wants will keep increasing. Okay, so we have to maintain this balance, इसको लेकर चलना है. So because you had sprouts, eat some nice dahi, चावल खा लो, कुछ भी खा लो, have one bowl, but do not train your body to starve because of any reason. Okay, good. अच्छा, उसने वो लंबा सेंटेंस रिप्लाई नहीं किया अभी तक. Okay. One last question, I promise, and I'm going after this. Okay. Drink water and yes. Most importantly, why I want to end the live session is one, my throat, and then I'm thirsty. So next time ये mistake नहीं करूँगी. Definitely not. Going down. Okay. I'm on bed rest due to leg injury. Please tell me how can I reduce my weight on. Okay, Roma, this is very important क्योंकि I'm so sorry for your injury, but पता है क्या, injuries are part of life and you have to understand whenever in life, God forbid, अगर ये situation जैसे आपको आ रहा है और भी किसी को आ रहा है, where you are bedridden for XYZ reasons, first things first, please rest well. Okay, when I mean rest well, please take care of your leg, very important. We need to get it back working soon and full power. Okay, so rest. Now because it needs to rebuild itself, have good food, have clean food. If you are a non-vegetarian, considering your surname, I'm not sure, but you are a Sindhi, तो खाती होगी, तो please try having paya soup, because that has really helped me. It's very good for your injuries, it is very good for your bones, your spinal cord. Have paya soup, have good nutritious soups. Okay, because you are on bed rest, I am telling you this because you have almost negligible activity throughout the day. That is the reason I'm asking you to be on more healthy soups, but that doesn't mean आप पानी पियो. टमेटो सूप लो, उसमें बहुत सारा वेजीज डालो, उसमें स्प्राउट्स डालो, उसमें थोड़ा ब्राउन राइस डालो या थोड़ा व्हाइट राइस डालो, वट एवर राइस यू लाइक वो डालो. हैव दैट. Have something that is not too heavy. Don't overload on carbs. during bed rest only, because your body is already in rest mode. But because you are also taking medication, please eat. Okay, do not starve. Please eat, and please do not go for online ordering and order everything that you are craving for, because bed is comfort, and when you are on bed rest you only think about comfort when it comes to everything. Then also comfort food comes in place. Okay, so do not think about comfort food. Keep it clean when you are eating. एक बार ठीक हो गई तो अपना मील्स इंक्रीज कर लो एंड स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइजिंग. ओके, बट ईट योर रोटी, वॉट एवर यू आर ईटिंग, इन स्मॉल स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज. नाचनी, जवार, भाकरी खाओ जो इजीली डाइजेस्ट हो जाए और यू नो कीप्स यू हेल्दी एंड क्लीन. ऑलराइट, गेट वेल सून. How to stop snacking or munching? Why do you want to stop that? It is such a beautiful thing कि चलते चलते कुछ उठा लिया. मैं तो मतलब if I walk into a shop that has open, you know, वो होता है ना, कोई फरसान हो गया या कुछ ऐसे मिठाई हो गई टेस्टिंग के लिए, तो मैं लेती नहीं हूँ. Yeah, I am that cheapered, but I have to think about my body also, right? So I would be like, ये उठा के खा लिया कि ये टेस्टी है क्या, यू नो. सो समटाइम्स व्हेन आई कोई गेस्ट आए तब लेके आऊंगी, अभी जरूरत नहीं है वैसे. सो यू पिक, यू टेस्ट. सो स्नैकिंग इज नॉट बैड. हाउ मच आर यू इफ यू आर हैविंग योर स्नैक्स एज in the quantity of your lunch or dinner or breakfast, then that's a problem, na. Now that day my friend and I, because we were meeting after so long and chilling after so long, we decided to call for Lays. अब गलती क्या हो गई, हमसे बड़ा पैकेट ऑर्डर हो गया, ठीक है. एंड देन व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड, तो उन्होंने अपने माइंड में ऐसे फिक्स कर दिया है, नो वन कैन ईट जस्ट वन. एंड वो हमारे दिमाग में ऐसा है दैट वी जेन्युइनली फंक्शन लाइक दैट व्हेन वी ईट इट. ओके, सो वो कर लिया. एंड देन वी न्यू दैट दिस इज वेयर वी शुड स्टॉप. दिस इज वेयर वी शुड स्टॉप. वी डिडंट स्टॉप. वो गलती हो गई और उसकी भरपाई भी करी हमने. वी एक्सरसाइज, वी टुक केयर, वी मेड श्योर दैट द नेक्स्ट 1 week वी आर नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग रबिश to get back to our discipline, you know. So junk food is a part and parcel of your life. It is always going to be in and around you. So train yourself to have little and leave it. Okay, and occasionally थोड़ा binge भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है, as far as you get back to your discipline. All right, चलो अब मैं जा रही हूँ, एकदम एंड में स्क्रॉल कर रही हूँ to see if there is something small we can talk about. वेल इफ यू आर, देखो डिटॉक्स का मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम दिन में कुछ भी खाना है खा लो, एक्सरसाइज नहीं करो, चिल करो और फिर यू नो डिटॉक्स वाटर बना के पी लो कि मेरा सब गल जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. कोई बोल रहा है तो उसको बिठाओ मेरे सामने, मैं बात करूंगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. अगर तुम एक्सरसाइज करते हो पूरा दिन, मतलब पूरा दिन में एक बार, और तुम you know you follow a clean lifestyle and then you're drinking that is just to, बोलते ना जो हम घी तेल ये सब खाते हैं तो वो सिर्फ उसको गले में खिसखिस होता है, ये सब होता है, उसको सिर्फ नीचे लाने के लिए होता है, ठीक है, और कुछ नहीं है. सो इट विल जस्ट क्लेंस योर सिस्टम so that it goes smoothly, your digestion and everything becomes fine. Green tea is not for weight loss. Any detox water given to you or suggested to you is never only for weight loss, okay? It is for cleansing your body every day, okay? Cleansing of the oil, that excess जो हम खाते हैं या जो भी खाते हैं, उसको सिर्फ नीचे थोड़ा अच्छे से स्मूथली जाने के लिए, और कोई रीजन नहीं है, सिर्फ वेट लॉस मत समझो प्लीज. Okay. How can people from Pakistan register for? Bhai, I am so sorry, yaar. I know a lot of you are from Pakistan, and I'm really trying. But unfortunately, because of you know the political and the whatever barriers that these two beautiful countries have, I'm trying to make arrangements where you guys could register. But there is a way. There are a few women from Pakistan who are working out, and that is how they register through Dubai or their relatives living outside Pakistan, because unfortunately everything is acceptable except for these two country transactions, right? So you can either invest, either enroll from somebody, your relative or anybody living in Dubai or Middle East or any other country, and you can join the session. Very easy right now. This is the easiest way. Otherwise, let's wait till we figure out a better option where you don't have to pay too much money because of the currency difference also. We're trying that transaction fees बहुत सारा नहीं हो जाए तो मतलब नहीं है ना. तो give it some time, or you can try the transaction otherwise. ठीक है? All right. Okay. Chalo, now I'm really going. I have to go. I will figure something more convenient. Yes, you can do that. All right, everybody. Lots of love. You have a good night, and I will see all of you very soon. Not promising to come live very often because ये video has enough for you to listen to when you need to. So just follow this. Listen to it whenever you need to. And I am available on DMs, but give me enough time and patience to reach you. And mood ठीक हो गया. Prasun ma'am, मेरा भी. High five. So both of us were having a very bad day. देखो, bad days है ना, उसको बहुत overrated करके ना हमने ऐसे life सोच ली है कि bad days किसी के life में होता ही नहीं है. ऐसे नहीं है. So today even I was having a bad day, and even Prasun ma'am, who is also a part of the challenge, was having a bad day. And yeah, we all have bad days, but this is that one time where we all come together, kill it, forget about everything in and around us. आजू बाजू क्या है हमको कोई लेना देना नहीं है. That 1 hour we come, we exercise, we have fun, and see, automatically your mood changes. And it is rightly said that when you exercise, it releases happy hormones. It's said for a reason. Okay, so next time you're feeling sad, try and do some 10-15 burpees. You will know what I'm talking about. Try करोगे तो ही समझेगा, मेरे बोलने से कुछ नहीं होगा. चलो अब मैं जा रही हूँ. बाय.